Hi guys, I'm Martin Anderson, and today we are going to walk through how to terminate an RJ45 cable. Not to waste time, let's go ahead. So we start by using our crippling to cut the insulator covering the wire. Also, make sure not to tighten your grip, else you're going to cut the whole wire. So just like this, and then you remove the covering. We remove the insulator covering the wire. We gather the wire at one point so that we will be able to cut off this plastic. Also, make sure you cut it off carefully in order not to cut through the wire. Then you use him at the other end. So now that we are done with this one, we are going to cut the wire into the same length. So like that. Then you use it for the other side.
He's killing with his eyes.
From here, you insert the cables into our RJ45. Also, you have to note that the arrangement of the cable in your first RJ45 should mimic the arrangement at the other end, else your termination will fail during testing. So with your equipment in order for it not to fall off. So here is the place it's supposed to be inserted. So you carefully insert it and make sure it's in line with the part where it will tighten it. So yes, I'm done with this end, so we'll do same for the other end. And then you use your equipment to tighten it up. Here labeled RJ45, that's where it's supposed to be inserted. So insert the first part and then other one. So when the cable is well terminated, there will be an indication on the tester indicating the cable is well terminated. So here is the indication. So guys,